Cheers to UK crew. UK production, Walker production. Shit, UK drinkers, know who you are. Yeah, good old entrance theme, that, my lads. Yeah, but good old 3D data, my lads. It's better than horse teeth, internet. You know what I'm saying?
By advertising on YouTube, I catch the eye.
Our horse teeth can't afford a Virgin broadband. Because he spent it on a bit of speed. Because he's a damn fucking crackhead. Whoa, whoa, whoa. And you want to sit there, buddy. You want to say, oh, no, I didn't hit my nan. No, I didn't do that, he tells this troll. No, I didn't hit my nan. She brought him up. Yeah, she brought you up all life, yeah. And what you become? A fucking scumbag. A rat. A grass. And you take out your fucking dad, Trevor Barker. And my nan, in hospital, she said to all my family that you hit her, you know? That was her last fucking words. So you want to sit there, buddy, and say you didn't. Get the fuck out of here, because I know you did. You know, you fucking done the heading back in the day. Oh, your old granny girlfriend used to go out with a 50-year-old mate, and you want to talk about other people going out with a granny. But you went out with one yourself called Helen Boy, you thick twat, in a boat. Get the fuck out of here. So I tell you what, ask him about Helen, mate. Trolls, come on, I'm not asking really about the trolls. Ask all about Helen, mate. He used to live in a caravan with you smutting the arm. I've done it, because I was there smutting speed room back in the day. So you can't lie about this one, can you, really? You used to have a grey skull. Wrinkly old manky face. Whoa, whoa, it's raining, folks. But my phone's waterproof, so it don't really matter. Roman Reigns, 1,000 and something days. The head of the table. Okay, now it's starting to come down there, isn't it? Oh, God. I put the phone like that so it won't get wet. Anyways, wow, Walker in the rain. I don't matter about my phone's waterproof. Oh. And that's my UK productions for today. And I'll see you whenever I see you. I am the fucking UK fucking chairman. But I've got to go in there because it's getting a bit really rough out in here. But anyways, at least I've done a video in the rain. 4K quality rain. You know what I'm saying? Don't want to get Mum's phone too wet, do we? Fucking hell. I don't know if it's waterproof or not. My phone is, so because I've got the Google Pixel 7a. My phone don't overheat. I can go live, mate. Piece of piss. No. Oh, poor Reddy's. Your phone overheating, boy. Your phone is fucking shit. My phone beats yours hands down, you motherfucker. Choke on that. Slap no.